Hi, welcome to this boutique building here, Evolution at 5101 Dundas Street West, and my new listing here at Unit 204. This beautiful, expansive 882 square foot unit, one bed, one bath, plus a huge den that could actually be a second bedroom. Right across the street from Michael Power Park, a few minutes to Islington subway station, easy access to Kipling Go. You can get into the city in just a few minutes. Come on, let's go for a tour. The spacious foyer features laminate floors, large double closet, and laundry with front load washer and dryer. The dining room is impressive with its floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the park. Laminate floors, great open concept design, and room for a desk for those working from home. The kitchen features an island, upgraded cabinets, quartz counters, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and desk area with a walkout to the balcony. The large balcony is a great spot to enjoy your morning coffee or evening glass of wine. The bedroom features floor-to-ceiling windows, double closet with closet organizers, and laminate floors. The 4-piece bath has a great deep soaker tub and quartz counter. The building amenities include guest suites for visitors, security and concierge, exercise room, meeting and party room with barbecue area. Well, hope you enjoyed the tour here today at Evolution, 5101 Dundas Street West, Unit 204. Give me a call and we'll set up a tour. Have questions about the area? Give me a call. I can answer those questions for you. Do you like to run? Are you active? You know what? We're just a few minutes away from running trails and walking trails. This is incredible, the location of this unit. Give me a call and let's set up a tour. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax and have yourself a beautiful day.